In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch windows in Excel. When you work with more than one workbook, hopping between them efficiently saves a lot of time. Instead of minimizing, Alt+Tabbing, or hunting through your taskbar, Excel has a built-in control that lists your open windows so you can switch with a single click. Here's how to use it. Start by going to the ribbon at the top of Excel and clicking the View tab. The ribbon is the row of tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. View is where Excel groups tools that affect how you look at your files, including Zoom, Freeze panes, and, the one we need, Switch windows. Make sure you've got the workbook you're working in visible and select the View tab so its commands appear. Next, look for the Switch Windows button in the window group on that View tab and click it. This opens a small menu that lists every workbook window currently open in Excel. You'll see the names of your files displayed there. If a file has more than one window open, you may notice the same file name listed more than once, often with a number appended to it. That simply means you have multiple views of the same workbook. From that list, choose the window you want to bring forward by clicking its name. The moment you select it, Excel activates that window, moves it to the front, and you're ready to continue working exactly where you left off. This is especially useful when you're moving between a summary workbook and a data source, or verifying formulas across files. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most from this menu. The Switch Windows list only becomes meaningful when more than one Excel window is open. With a single file, you'll just see the current workbook. If the file names look similar, glance at the sheet name or any unique part of the file title so you pick the right one. And if a workbook is protected or read only, switching to it works the same way. You'll simply have the appropriate editing status when you arrive. That's all there is to it. Click View, click Switch Windows, and select the window you need. Keep this flow in mind the next time you're juggling multiple spreadsheets and you'll move through your work far more smoothly.